Hi, I'm Damien, the French guy of Revolgy, and today I'm here with my friend Jakub in the kitchen to cook with you some really nice IT solution. Hey, ciao Jakub.
Hey, Monsieur Damien.
Yeah.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to the kitchen.
Nice of you to have me. What is on the menu today? What are we cooking?
Yeah, we will make actually some enrollment and management of Chromebooks. So I will show you how to do it, how to cook this, and also how to prepare the device to give it to, for example, a newcomer. If, I don't know, someone is suddenly leaving the company and needs to give his device to someone else.
FYI, I'm in the company for 2 years, never done this. I just only talk about it. So
yeah,
it's the first time for me.
I'm the chief IT guy here. I will,
okay,
lead you how to do it.
Yeah, and I'm the Padawan here.
What you need to do that, the first thing is for sure a Chromebook that you have brand new, received in the company. And first step, it's to connect it to the Wi-Fi of the company.
All right.
Okay. And now we will see that in a few steps, you will be ready to work with this device. But first, we need to enroll this device. So you need to log in first with your credentials to make the enrollment. So on the first page, you selected enroll the device, like enterprise enrollment, and you can now make it.
Okay, now for my account, my password.
You will have the two-step verification.
Sure. Okay,
even for the enrollment.
I prepared my phone for that.
So
that's the nice thing. Yes, no. I
like
love this. There's like no call, no SMS. It's just, is this you? Are you trying to log in? Yes, no. That's pretty cool.
And this step was the manual enrollment. The zero touch is even faster. You just connect to the Wi-Fi and it's done.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love it. I have to say I love it, actually, yeah.
And now you can use this device also yourself. So now you need to log in with your own credentials. So it's the same step. Voila, you're in. You can start working with your...
Yeah, I used, in Revolgy, I already used Chromebooks, but I love this, that you can sign in and be at basically your virtual workplace, can be within seconds, and that you can enroll so quickly. I've done it for the first time, it's pretty cool.
And because of the enrollment, actually, I see your device inside my admin console of Google Workspace, so I can also check the device on a hardware level, temperature of the CPUs and level of the Wi-Fi and stuff like that, in case of we need to troubleshoot.
I never expected that you will be to know so much about it.
Yeah, I can but nothing about your privacy,
Okay, it's just the device.
Yeah, I cannot access the webcam to spy you when you're at home or check your email or stuff.
Did not occur to me until you said it. Okay, thank you for reassuring me.
But the thing is, like, now we can manage the device and all the device we have in the company, and we can manage them based on organization unit on Google Workspace.
Yeah, okay.
So I can push settings of the web browser, so about extension, about security settings also, like a requirement of settings. There is plenty of things. I can, if I just show the screen, there is many things. So it goes from, restriction of hardware, like I can limit the usage of the webcam, for example, or cut off the Bluetooth, or cut also the use of the USB port. So like you're not able to plug any USB key or stuff like that. On some companies it's possible. I can also allow or not the guest mode of the device. It means guest mode. It's a mode for people who can use temporarily your device, to help a colleague who forgot his device at home. So we can authorize it or not. Or we can also say like this device is yours, so you're the only one who can connect on it. That's also one, step on the security.
Yeah, for me actually what I really like is that you can, block the USB, because if you kind of connect it with the DLP, which is data loss prevention, which is in the Gmail, that's pretty hefty.
Yeah, you can have the control of the data of your company
from all angles.
Out or not. Like this, And some easy things, you can change, for example, the background of the login page if you want to be very corporate, to put the logo of your company every time someone turn on the computer on the login screen. You can also set off hours. Say like the device can be used from, let's say, 8 to 6 if you want to be really restrictive. Don't use this device during your free time or the weekend, for example.
I wish that. we might try to bring this up.
You want me to do it just for you? It can be great like that. You can also push applications, so from the Play Store of Google. So it can be like a Chrome OS application, also web app, also like an Android application who can be pushed to the devices. You can just put the list and it automatically actually installed on your users.
Yeah, we talked about enrolling. How about that? We are closing the factory. Somebody's being let go. What is the process? Is it still this simple, or because I know with the standard Windows machine, it is quite a process that you have to go through to make it ready to be passed on to another employee. Yeah, how do you do it here?
That's true. Like usually on IT support, they need to take the laptop of the user who is leaving the company, and if there is a big turnover in big operation, it can be a lot of a pile of computer to prepare for next week and stuff like that. And it takes a long because you need to image the computer, install drivers, stuff, update and stuff. In this case, it will be much more easier. Actually, I show you before that I can see your device here, and in few clicks I can actually reset this device and as a brand new. So even removing the enrollment, if I want to do again the step of the enrollment, or just reset the device if you lose it, or I can temporarily also disable it.
Yeah, okay, makes sense.
But
it's like a credit card.
What I can show you also is like I can do it for one device. I can do it for more.
Okay.
Because here I have another.
It's like the mass de-enrollment. Right?
Exactly. So I will just log with my account on this machine. So it's another device. So we can show it to the camera. So we have two devices here, mine and the one of Jakub. And let's imagine that we will need to reset those devices. So concrete case, Jakub, let's imagine you're fired.
Thank you. I like it went right for the jugular for the worst scenario.
So now you have to give back your device to the company.
Okay.
And so I will have the hard task to say like, okay, this device is not the one of Jakub anymore, and I have to pass it to someone else. So what I can do? So in one click, actually, I can come here and deprovision the device, like reset the device totally and make it ready for the next user.
Okay.
So look at this. I just go in the admin console, I select this, some option about if I want to factory reset or keep the data of the user still on the device. And in one click, if it works, do here, it should deprovision those two devices.
That didn't seem as a hard task as I was expecting it to be, to kind of lose access.
And now the IT support is free to do something else, and the device is resetting himself, and we're good to go. And you can send it to another user, and let's say if your IT support is remote, actually, they don't have to be on the place. They can do these things remotely, just one click, and the device is ready. So I think it's official, Jakub. Your device is resetted and it cannot work here anymore.
So